What stopped you having solar sooner?
I think it was just trying to find a company or talk to somebody
Mm.
that, you know, we knew were genuine, it was going to work,
Mm.
and, you know, had lots of sort of questions, really. I mean, I'd been on Trustpilot
Yeah.
and I'd read some great reviews.
Yeah.
So that was the first piece that I'd done. And I thought, well, okay, these are pretty good.
Mhm.
But can you believe it? We actually had our plumber come over,
Yeah.
and we'd had problems with, I don't know, water leakage or whatever else. And I started talking to him, and
Yeah.
he just said, "Oh God, you know, you've got to go down this line with your house
Yeah.
and what the future." And he recommended you guys. And I think
Fantastic.
for us, just to have somebody who's in the business, somebody who's a plumber that knows
Absolutely.
about it as
Yeah.
well, that is, you know, what I needed to hear. And then
Absolutely.
that was like, yep, okay, these sound good. I've
Mm.
heard of them.
Mhm.
I've read up on them. Let's go.